All right, y'all, we're back with another eBay sale. This one is going to a Mr. Kyle H. in Bloomington, Minnesota. Mr. Kyle ordered a set of dowel pins, or pair of dowel pins, for a small block Chevrolet. Part number 4375. Mr. Kyle, we're going to stick these in here for you. Get them underway to you. And this here is a sticker to our main YouTube channel, Dixie Customs. Beth wrote you a note on the back of it. We do appreciate your order. We'll get this in the mail to you so you can get your project back underway. Look forward to doing more business with you. And if you would, subscribe to the channel. It'd help it out. We appreciate what you've done for the channel so far, because this also helps it out. So this is on Dixie Extra, Dixie Customs Extra, and our main channel is Dixie Customs on YouTube. So we appreciate your order. We'll get this mailed out to you. And look forward to doing business with you again in the future. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.